and live. Come to the love that Christ alone can give. Receive the joy, accept the grace. Come to the warmth of heaven's warm embrace. Come take the bread, come drink and live. Come know the love that Christ alone can give. Receive the bread. Receive the bread.